Hi guys, what's up? I have Baby May today. What is your channel like?
Today with Bibi Me, guys.
Okay, so she's been interviewing a lot of ladies. So now
Yes.
I'm going to interview her.
Yes.
So okay, so this is my question: is it easy to catch or easy to find ladies to interview?
So
Like
hard.
not so hard.
Yeah, because sometimes if you asking, he said no because I'm the private, and then the other lady he said no, I'm shy.
Okay, so
But
there's
they have sometime if I praying to God, hopefully God I can interview one lady, but sometimes I get.
okay.
Yes.
So it's hard sometimes.
Yes.
Yeah. So yeah, she's been questioning a lot of ladies, and so I thought, oh, I'm gonna interview Baby May.
Yes. Thank you so much.
And then sometimes when you question random people or like on the street, did you ask permission first? Like,
Yeah.
okay,
Yes.
that's good. And
Yes.
some of them is like say yes or no.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
So that's my first question to
Okay.
you. So do you have any question for me?
Okay. For you is for you the first time for your the in the camera for the video because your husband is the blogger, right?
Mhm.
So what are you feel? You're shy? Because me before I'm very shy in the camera.
Yeah, it's. I think it's normal to be in the first time shy
Mm-mm.
and you know because you just want to be private. Yeah,
Yes.
yeah. But now I'm used to it,
Yes.
and I have a little channel, guys, just short video.
Yes.
So anything else?
Like how many days before your feel you're comfortable in the camera?
Hmm. Usually it's 15 seconds,
Uh,
but since my husband is a blogger,
yes.
it depends what kind of video. It
What
can
what's
be
the name of the
10.
blogger the name of the blog your husband?
It's Never Give Up Philippines.
Oh,
Yeah,
okay.
mine is Honeybee, like at Honeybee 10589. Yeah.
Okay.
So I'm gonna get another question for her.
Okay.
Or you wanna question me more?
Oh yeah, sure. Okay. Where you meet your husband?
I met in Cebu.
Cebu.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. How many days or a month before you're okay? Let's go for together.
Like yeah, like dating,
Yeah, like dating.
like going out. I think that was like at least I think 3 weeks.
Three
After
weeks.
3 weeks.
Ah, okay.
Yeah, I
Okay.
think so. Or it could be more than that because it's been a while. That was back 2015,
Mm-mm.
and I'm so busy
Ah.
on my job, and it's just hard to me to get out sometimes.
Mm-mm.
Yeah,
Like
I think.
how old you the time?
Oh, I was like 25 that time.
Ano yun, that is the first time your husband is the first time boyfriend, the
No, no, no,
foreigner?
no, no.
No, I
I
mean the
have
foreigner.
Filipino
I mean the
boyfriend
foreigner.
before. A foreigner,
Yeah.
yes, yes.
Okay.
Yeah, Joe is my first time.
Okay. But you're not afraid because it is your first time.
No, I'm not afraid because in where I work
Yeah.
is too many foreigner. So
Okay.
yeah, I used to talk with them. Yeah, so
Mm.
that's why.
Yeah. And then your English is very perfect. It's good the fluency.
Thank you. Not
You're
really.
graduating for college.
No, I'm not graduating college, but I went to college at least first year only.
Oh, I
Yeah.
see. That's why your English is very clear.
Not
Yeah.
really, but
Ah,
thank
because
you.
you're living in the US, right?
Yes.
How many years?
Uh, right now a total of 8, but not fully every year because we're here, right? So
Yeah.
like 5 months
Ah.
here, 6 months there. But
Mm-mm.
before I stayed there, like in
Mm-mm.
my very first time, like straight 2 years,
Oh.
and after that,
Mm.
fly back here and visit
Mm.
like 5 months, 6 months, like
Mm-mm.
that. Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, but it's been like 8 years
8
already.
years?
Yeah.
Wow, so
Mhm.
long. Congrats.
Thank you.
And then, like, how many years before you're waiting for your already retired in the Philippines? You have already the green card?
Yeah, I have a green card.
I mean, you're still in no need for going back to the US, still in the
Oh,
Philippines.
yeah. That's like if I wanna retire, you mean?
Oh, yeah.
That's take a while. Yeah, maybe.
Like 60 years old? Oh, no.
Yeah, I have to be 60 plus, maybe
Ah,
63 or 65.
my.
But I could stay here if I want to.
But you have a limit, 6 months here and
Yeah,
6 months in the US.
because of my green card.
Yeah.
Yeah,
But it's so hard, no? 60 years old before you're.
if I'm going to retire.
Yeah.
Yeah, but I could stay earlier if I want to, but
Yeah.
no, we're too young to retire. We're
Yes,
not.
because
Yeah,
how old you now?
36.
Oh, so young, but you look like 20.
Thank you.
Yeah, you're the next. The question.
Okay, Bonot, pick
Like,
another one.
yeah.
So this is another question for May. Okay, so this is my question. Is the social media affect your mental health? Is it affecting you by
For the
making
first,
videos
yeah,
like
for the
in your
first
health?
time.
Affecting you?
Yeah.
How is it like in
If
your
you
health?
if you're reading the bad comment, I
Uh-huh.
said like, oh, he's the like a grandma like that,
Oh
and
no.
it's like, oh, that is a scammer.
Yeah.
But I'm the first for reading the comment because
Right.
the comment in the YouTube I hold.
I see.
Yeah.
Mhm.
So if they have bad comment, I delete after the reading, and then if the nice comment, I public.
I see.
Yeah. But the
Yeah.
first time I getting have migraine.
Like, do you feel depressed or
Yes,
sad,
but
upset?
yes, but if you're getting long year, you're confident.
You're confident. You're used to it for
Yes.
any kind of
Yes.
negative
You yeah,
comment.
you can like,
You
oh,
can handle it.
yes, you can
Yeah.
ignore that.
Yeah. I asked that to her because how many subscribers do you have now? So she have
33,500.
33,000 subscribers. That's a lot. And how
I almost 4 years.
4 years.
Yeah.
Yeah, I asked that to her because me, like I have a little channel
Mm.
and it's a small channel, only short videos.
Yeah.
And if there's a bad comment, sometimes it's
Yeah.
just straight to your head, and then
You getting migraine?
not really migraine. It's like affecting.
Yeah, you're
Yeah,
getting like if
like
you feel
it
mad
feels
like
like
that.
you want to stop doing it
No, do
because
not
of
stop.
that, like that, something
Yeah.
like that. That's why I asked her. So that was my question to her.
Okay.
Do you want me to get another one, or you want me to question?
I
You want
question with
question
you.
me?
Okay.
Okay.
How many years for married your husband?
Wow. We're married 2017, so I think we will be 8 years.
Wow, 8 years.
Hang on, 17, 18, 19, 20,
Wow.
26. Wait, it's 2026 now, so we will be 9 years this December coming. Like, yeah, it's gonna be 9 years this
Wow. So long.
December.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
Yes.
Yeah,
But do you have
but
a
we together for you know quite a bit while because that was since 2015.
mm-mm.
So maybe 11 years now. I don't know.
Wow,
I didn't count.
good.
Yeah.
Do you have a plan for someday you have a baby?
Oh yeah, we've been before. It's
Yeah.
been since before.
Ah,
Yeah,
okay.
but no luck. But it's okay. I
Yes.
we accept it.
Yes.
Yeah. I
Okay.
mean, we enjoy even without it. I mean, you know what you're gonna do. You don't have to be upset or anything.
Yeah, you can wait for God give
Yeah,
you.
it's God's will.
Yes. So, for the for long year for your married to your husband, what is the part your favorite to your husband?
The favorite part,
Yeah, favorite part of the body.
the body.
Yes.
Can I skip that?
Okay, you can give me that. The question. You can give me for the question that. You can give
You
me
can
for
just.
the back with me for the question.
So, what is the part you like, Paul?
I like the eyes. I like the nose. I like the lips. I like the body.
Oh, okay.
I like the hair. Almost everything. Yes.
Everything. I
Yes.
would say the same thing, everything.
Ah,
But
okay.
I thought, sorry guys, I just don't want to think something else. I thought she's gonna question me some weird thing.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. You're the next.
Okay. Um. Okay, I'll pick.
Oh, okay. Okay.
Okay. Oh. So this is my question for you.
Okay.
Is that easy or hard to be with Paul? Is that easy for him to get along with Paul with you? Do you
Yeah,
have?
it's easy
Oh, that's good.
because if you love your husband, it's so easy to understand. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. It's so hard. So
So
easy.
you get along with him, okay?
Huh?
You get along with him, okay?
Yeah. I
Good.
like forever.
Good.
Yes.
Okay.
That's my ways to Lord. My husband, that is my last in my life.
Oh, really?
Yes. I don't like someday what happened. I don't like looking another man. I like
Okay.
he's the last in my life.
Oh, okay.
Yes.
So because I actually have question but you already mentioned it
Yeah.
because I have a question like if Paul one day
Yeah.
is gonna be gone because we're gonna all die
Yeah.
whatever.
Yeah. Yeah.
But in case um you don't want to be get married
No.
again.
No. No. No.
I see.
Yeah. I'm been already. So why you need to look another man?
Right.
So you experience already. So you need to that is the last.
I
Yes.
see.
Yes. I like for that's my promise to Lord. He's the last in my life.
Okay.
Yes.
Thank you for sharing. Now we know, guys.
Yeah. Because I love so much to my husband because where I'm been, he's what do you call that? I'm been in the province. He's accept me where I'm been. Yeah, I'm working for the helpers. He accept with me everything.
So yeah, he accept you
Yes,
who you are.
yes,
Yeah.
and I'm very big appreciate that. So that's why I promised the Lord, He's the last in my life. Yes,
That sounds great.
yes. How about you?
The same thing.
Mm.
Yeah. Who knows? It's God's will. Whatever it
Yeah.
happens,
Mm-mm.
we just don't know what's really gonna happen next.
Mm-mm.
I might surprise. You might
Yeah.
marry again. What do you have any question?
Ah, you're the join to your husband for the like vlogging.
Mm-hmm.
They have the you don't have a foreigner like contact with you. Hey, uh, it's okay with you. I chat your the private like that.
No.
No.
Uh-uh.
Oh, okay. Because me, I'm experiencing that in Facebook.
Also, like they asking you if.
Hmm.
Oh, I
Yeah.
see.
Then I
Cause I never give my Facebook, guys. That's why. Cause I just don't wanna be.
I'm not give but I think
They know.
yeah
They
he
know.
searched in the Facebook so he's
Yeah.
pop up like that so he's messaged with me in the Facebook and then I saw you to my husband.
Right.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I actually don't have. I didn't give that, but I remember someone
Mm-mm.
chat me
Mm-mm.
like he was a follower,
Oh, okay.
like
Followers in
sending.
Facebook.
Yeah, that
Oh,
was
okay.
before
Okay.
sending message just like you're beautiful, blah blah blah, and
Mm-mm.
of course the husband saw it,
Mm-mm.
and then but I just don't wanna say what my husband says, so that's why be careful.
Yes. Yeah. So do you have a question?
Yeah,
Okay.
I have 3 questions here.
Okay.
Okay, I'll pick which one. Oh,
Okay.
so why you start YouTube and when did you start? Like
Oh.
why you start YouTube?
My husband he asking with me, do you like for the first time he gets with me in the his channel. But
Ah,
I said I'm shy, but I'm try. But
okay.
for getting like 3 months, I have the
Interest on
interest.
the
Yeah,
YouTube.
that's why I beginning for YouTube. It's not easy because for the first time my tripod is flying in the swimming pool,
Uh-huh.
and then you look, oh, my tripod in the pools.
Yeah.
Yeah,
So
you need to edit.
yeah, I think you mentioned that 4 years.
Mm-mm.
Mm,
Yes.
so yeah.
Yeah, for
So
the
it seems-
vlogger, it's not easy. It's a lot trial.
So guys, I just noticed my question is seems like she knows already. So I think like a soulmate, like
Yeah.
it's already on my mind, and then you just surprised that it's already in her mind too.
Yeah.
So yeah, I have two more questions for her.
Okay.
Alright. Oh, actually, we already talked about this. See,
Okay.
guys, I have a question. But
I have a question. Last question.
All right.
Are you jealous, girl?
Yeah. It depends. It depends how. Yeah, it depends the ladies.
Okay.
If flirting my husband.
How about you? He's jealous, man.
More?
More? Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. So you have to be careful.
Yeah, especially if you're going to the if your partner going to the bar, you're always going there. Because
Yeah,
I remember before me and my husband going in the bar, the girl is starting, I like your shirt, sir. And then my eyes is very big. I said,
Of course, we're
and then my husband he put the tape, and my husband is the first going the outside, so I get the tape, and then I leave the I think 5 pesos. Yes, and then I keep it the 5 pesos.
Yeah, I
Because
think I remember Paul told
yeah,
us that.
because I feel like she not respect because
Yeah.
I'm the next for sitting.
Right.
Yes.
Yeah, I experienced that. They some girls here is no respect. Even they know that where our husband is with us with husband. It's like you saw us together, but they're still flirting.
Oh, they have the other one in the restaurant bar.
Mm.
The girl is waitress, so much flirting.
Mm.
Yes, I asked him to my husband,
No
why
respect.
she's very so much flirting. My husband told me because she won the tape. That's why she's
Yeah, the
good for
tips.
entertain. He said,
Yeah.
sir, you want what do you want? You want tigala? The action, hi sir, how are you? Long time no see, like that. So
Yeah.
the foreigner is like getting attention, so
Yeah,
he
they just want
give for the tip.
attention.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. But the lady she's married, but she want the
The
tip.
tips. Yeah.
Yeah. If they have the Filipino customer, she's not doing like that.
Yeah,
Only the foreigner.
some of
Yeah.
some of the restaurant or some of the bars, some girls don't
Yeah.
doing that, but some is no respect.
Yes.
So
So
I have one more question.
okay.
18 minutes ago. So guys, this is the last question. So we're gonna end our video pretty soon.
It's nice
I think
outfit.
I already asked you, but I will repeat it. Is there someone asked you if you're single, even you're married now?
Yeah.
Still, where did the comment
Especially in the Facebook.
on Facebook?
Yeah, I put there already married.
Right.
And then the foreigner messaged me, are you ready for marry me? I said, are you? I'm not replying, but I thinking to myself, did I think that guy is crazy? Why
Yeah.
he asking with me? Because I put already in the
Your profile.
status is married.
Yeah. I experienced that
Yeah.
before.
Then
Yeah.
he's sending the picture of the car,
Yeah, it's just
money. Yes,
yeah.
but I ignore. I delete.
Some of those is
But
fake
I tell to
anyway.
Paul is laughing. Yes.
Yeah. It's okay, they're watching but they can't touch.
Yes.
They can watch us in the phone but
Yes.
can't touch. So anyway guys, that's all our question each other
Yes.
and the video for today.
Yes.
And
Because little guys is you come back in the US.
yes, pretty soon we'll be back. So this is our maybe last video for now, but I'm sure
Yes. If you
when
come back again,
we're
I'll make
gonna
the
do
video.
another video for her.
Yes.
So thank you for watching guys. And
Yes. Thank you, Lisel, for
thank
nice
you.
outfit and for the interview with me.
Okay, bye. Thank you guys.